it's December and you thought I wouldn't know any better, but you were wrong to think that I would drag you along. You thinking everything's a joke, but you ain't laughing alone. I break your spirit, your spine, you will never survive, cause you a cynic, you slime, you a waste of my time. I got that Balboa attitude, did all that I had to do. You may think you fly, but you ain't on my altitude. This is your captain speaking, the seatbelt sign is on. We off to Home City, but you can ride along. Just stay seated, we're making it through the storm. We land in about an hour, be sure that you dress warm. When you cold and you broke and you struggle to cope, I'll take it all, steal your hope when it matters the most. I went from nothing to bluffing, now I'm buzzing. Ain't that something, cousin? So stop fronting them everything you said I wasn't. Cause I wouldn't know how every day I wake up, but I never look down. You should know this, you're wrong. You better know that you're wrong. I could never quit cause I wouldn't know how every day I wake up, but I never look down. You should know that you're wrong. You better know that you're wrong.
Fuck you mean I'm a fail, nigga, you ain't see the progress. From a tadpole to a Loch Ness. All these rappers saying they draws but won't watch them. They clock stopped watching, and that was when a nigga dropped the auction. Still I came from no money, and I ain't saying that I'm ballin', I just gained a little.